Righty-ho. Right, I'm going to make a pendant. This is going to be very similar to that ring you saw yesterday. This is South Carolina quarter, dated 2000. It's copper clad. So let's punch a hole in it. I don't know if this will work or not, but we'll see, because I've also got to punch a hole in the side for the cable, you know, the cord to go round. Right, there she is. Miss Beautiful. There she is. Hello, how are you today? You're looking gorgeous as ever. Big Bertha. Hope everybody's feeling fine and dandy today. Fine and dandy. I'm the dandy highwayman. Who sang that? Come on. Right. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Yeah, straight away, I don't think this is going to work. But let's have a go. We need to punch a hole in it. We've still got the date. So let's go this side. I might have to use a smaller well, it punched through, but is it going to screw up when I stick it in my damming block? I should remember to put these away when I get out my grinder for the glass. Right. That's well, we run it the other way, don't we? I think. What am I doing? No, I want it this way. Right. Let's go over to Big Red. As you can see, my table is still not fixed. But I've got to drive that 10 miles to find right, how's that looking? I think I could use a smaller punch, but hey, that ain't too bad. But then again, well, let's give it a go. See what happens. Got nothing to lose, everything to gain. Cod Zero steel wool. Okay, I will get my glass. Oh, let's pick a colour. That's quite nice. It's a sort of mauvey colour. Sort of changes colour. You can't really see it here, but okie dokie. This is a nibbler. Do I use my glass? A bit close. Right, I'll go and get my glass grinder and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I now want to grind this to fit in there. So let's give it a go. There you go. Right. I'll be back in a sec. I've got rid of this thing. Okay, folks, I'm back. So a bit more the old glue. While I was off camera, I put in a double split ring. So you've got something for the chain to go through, or the cord, adjustable cord, or whatever you fancy. So let's mix this puppy up. Like I was saying on the ring, I will be getting a self-leveling. Just to tidy up the back. I mean, this just locks it in place. I've got to be careful with the I don't want to get any of this glue on my split ring. Hey, come on, keep it clean. But yeah, I think I'd already be making these for the summer. Here comes summer, doobie 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 doo. If you'd like to support my channel, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day. I miss the odd day, but you know. Right, I'll come back again when that's set. See you in a minute, or 20 minutes. Hello, Vivi. Right, hello everybody. I'm joined by Vivi this morning. There you go. This changes, like a purple mauve, and it changes to green, but you can't really see it much on the camera. It does change though. I did put a double split ring in for the cord or the silver chain. So I just do a bit of a and then we'll give it a bit of a polish with Felton. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There should be enough polish on this thing. Yeah, it's coming up good. Ian, you was asking if I could do this to a penny. I don't think so, mate, because it'd just be too small to do it, if you know what I mean. Hello, Vivi. You good girl? I know. Look, we've got company. Vivi. Hey, what are you up to? That was Vivi. I know. Life's a bitch, isn't it, eh? So there you go, folks. This is the first one I've made of these. It's the same as the ring, really. But this is made of a US quarter. 1 quarter. United States of America. So there you go, folks. And I've ordered some like a liquid that sort of self-levels to go over all of this. Tidy it up a bit, but there you go. Quite pretty, eh? I know, Vivi. You had your breakfast. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, God willing. Toby, bye-bye.